Is your internet super slow on your PC while other devices seem totally fine? Yeah, that usually means the problem is in your computer settings, not your Wi Fi. So, in this guide, I'll show you step by step fixes to speed up your internet quickly. First, restart both your PC and your router. I mean, it sounds simple, but temporary network bugs often disappear after a clean restart. Next, check if background apps are using your internet. Open Task Manager and look for apps consuming network data. Some apps start automatically and slow your connection. Disable unnecessary startup programs to free bandwidth. Now switch your DNS server to a faster one, like Google DNS. This often improves browsing speed and page loading time. Outdated drivers can slow down internet performance. Open Device Manager and update your network adapter driver. Windows updates running in the background can secretly use your bandwidth. Pause updates temporarily if your internet feels slow. If the speed is still slow, perform a network reset. This clears old configurations and fixes hidden connection issues. Finally, run a speed test to confirm the improvement. You should notice faster download and browsing speeds, and that's it. Your PC internet should now feel much faster. Save this guide in case your connection slows down again, and yeah, I'll see you in the next fix.